Welcome back, guys. Today we're here with Unice again. So let's get into the package. Of course, I'm seeing the wig first, and then I also got a branded elastic band and a pair of wig caps, and that's all for goodies. They also sent some Bye Bye Knots lace tips, so if you need that, that's a great addition that they made to the package as well. This is the wig that we're working with today, straight out of the box. This is their honey blonde highlight body wave 7x5 lace closure wig, and it's a glueless wig. It has a drawstring. It's everything, pre-plucked, pre-cut. Look at the drawstring is like the cherry on top. It makes it so easy for my beginners, and I love the fact that it comes perfectly pre-curled. The color job is very pretty, and the hair is very nice and full. Okay, it comes very nice and fresh out of the packaging. It doesn't have any weird smell or anything like that, and as you can see, it also has combs. I think one of the best features on this wig is the fact that it has a drawstring. As I said, it makes it really convenient for anybody that just don't have all the time in the world to be securing their wigs on their head. And then it has this adjustable strap as well, and I went ahead and just slipped that on, and look at how melted that looks. I love the way they pre-customize everything so perfectly. The lace is giving scalp. Okay, as I said, it's pre-bleached, pre-cut, pre-plucked, all of that. And I went ahead and got straight into adjusting the drawstring in the back, which is very straightforward and easy to do. So you just adjust the knobs, the first one and then the smaller one, to kind of lock it in place. And I just took away the excess string beneath the cap. That's it. Not much to it. Super easy, very self-explanatory.
Feelings, it's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming in colors I never.
So I went ahead and I explored a few looks. The first one was updo. I just left these two pieces in the front. Okay, everything that I'm showing in this video is very much beginner friendly. Anybody can do this. Look at how gorgeous that looks already with me just pulling the hair to the back. Stunning. And I just gathered everything to the top, and I did a nice top bun.
Oh yeah, I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed, skipping out, no I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher.
That's it for look number one. Now for look number two, I did a half up, half down, but I did this ponytail more towards the back. And as you can see, I'm doing all, and yes, you guys might be like, oh, I know it's not a 360 wig, but that's how versatile a drawstring gets, right? So with me doing the first hairstyle full on like top bun is just crazy, because it's not a 360 lace wig, but I love it. I love the versatility of a drawstring wig. So yeah, I just did this half up, half down, and it's just really classy, really cute, and super easy to do again, as I said.
Oh.
For the final look, I had to go classy, you know, middle part bust down. So I got my hair wax, PS Lux hair wax, and I'm just working on getting the top super flat. Now this is a wig that you could absolutely wear directly out of the packaging, because it comes pre-done for you basically, so you don't have to stress about having to do anything else. So that's one thing to note. I'm just going in and giving you guys options and showing you how you could style the wig. But yeah, I just kind of refined the center part vibe here, and I was just going through the top with my hot comb, and then I proceeded to just redefine the front pieces. I gave the front a little bit more layers, so it would fall a little bit more with that feathered vibe, which you've seen a bit. And I just went through the front there with my curling iron to redefine the curls.
fall out the sky onto my heart to cover up what I don't wanna show. I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know when my heart be needed, skipping out, no I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Ooh, you take me higher. Ooh, you take me higher, baby. You take me higher. Ooh, you take me higher, baby. You take me higher. Ooh, you take me higher, baby. You take me higher. Yeah, you take me higher.
And that's it. That is it. Gorgeous. 10 out of 10. I did get minimal shedding. All right, please note, you see the hair is processed, so it is a little bit on the coarser side, but it's not crazy, you know. For the price, I think it's pretty affordable, and the quality is giving. It is giving. Unice, you did it again. This is the wig look of the day. If you like this, go ahead and give this video a thumb up. If you want this wig, the link is in my description box, as well as all the specifications. If there are any deals going on, that's where you can find all the necessary info. But this is the wig look of the day. Okay, don't forget to go ahead and subscribe, as I said, if you're not yet subscribed, and stay tuned for more looks. That's it for now, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.